verses are poetic. I'm the dude they love to mimic. Every lyric is a relic. Oh, you rappers are pathetic. Painting pictures so dramatic. I'm an addict with the pen. I don't rep the good side. I'm just here to get my money. I'm the real deal, homie. Get inside my intuition. I'm murderous with this vision. I might just murder what you wish and devour your dreams. I'm only waiting for the green. You ain't on our level. You ain't messing with my team. Cause you blow it till I die. And we gon' wake us be supreme. Everything is so whack. I quarantine the whole scene. To murder all you faggots. I'm a killing machine. Every rhyme is superb. I'm fast killing your dreams. My metaphor is so sharp. They can cut out your spleen. It means lyrically I put your mind in a maze. Leave it wondering for days. And I'ma knee you in the neck. Leave you purple like the haze.
No more playing around. I'm sick of these clowns. Gotta get myself up out of this playground. No time to waste. I got bills to pay. This is my life. No more playing around. I'm sick of these clowns. Gotta get myself up out of this playground. No time to waste. I got bills to pay. This is my life. I wasn't there from the beginning, but I'm proud to be a part of it. Hip hop, it don't stop, I'm still living it. Loyal to the game, I'm not here to surrender. True to the art, I came to be remembered. This ain't just a hobby, homie, this is my life. Making something out of nothing, I'm just trying to survive. Whether it's rockin' rhymes, I'm making beats, turning jock wheels at a party. I'm just trying to make ends meet. I'm a fiend for the dream, if you know what I mean. I don't want your free drink, homie, you got to pay me. Cause without money, you can't spare money. Keep that in your mind, I ain't trying to be funny. Motivated by the struggle, so further I proceed. I'm driven by the pain I feel inside me. Got no choice but to rap every opportunity. Even when the haters try to pull you down like gravity, I'm still no more playing around, I'm sick of these clowns. Gotta get myself up out of this playground. No time to waste, I got bills to pay. This is my life. No more playing around, I'm sick of these clowns. Gotta get myself up out of this playground. No time to waste, I got bills to pay. This is my life.
You better watch what you're babbling. I hit you like a javelin. You wouldn't see me coming though your eyes wide open. I'm profiting out of terrorizing the game like Bin Laden. I'm omnipotent, you're bullshitting and spitting nothing. I'm like a falcon, falling just to swoop up all you snakes I'll be eating. Then be flying off to Hawaii for the weekend. Once again it's open season for whack rapper hunting prey. I'm here stalking. Peer deep into this beat, you can hear my heart beating. Art beat all bars, every verse fire breathing. Lurking in the murk is defeat when the stars shining. Had fun when I was throwing about the tons while I'm reaping. You're stalling, I'm more like Stalin. I'm controlling the game. I'm not violent, but push me then pay in pain. K-Blood's the click on the rise to fame, and Big Breeze the name. These skills do maintain. Still on the road like a dice when I'm chasing the price. Still deep in the struggle, no it never been nice. Seeing past the horizon when I open my eyes. I wanna do more than survive. Still on the road like a dice when I'm chasing the price. Still deep in the struggle, no it never been nice. Seeing past the horizon when I open my eyes. I wanna do more than survive.